Dear children, we have already discussed lesson number 4, computer memory. Now we will discuss the back exercise of this lesson. First of all, let's discuss the self-evaluation points. I know that a computer's memory is used to store data as well as information. Yes, we agree with this point that computer memory को हम use करते हैं data as well as information store करने के लिए. Next, I fully know that a computer's memory is measured in bits and bytes. Yes, we agree. I fully know that a byte is the basic storage unit of a computer. Agree. कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में जो भी लीस्ट डेटा स्टोर होता है वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बाइट होता है. I know that primary memory and secondary memory are the two types of memory. Yes, I fully know that RAM and ROM are primary memory. Yes. Primary memory is divided into two parts, that is RAM and ROM. I know that hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, etc. are secondary memory. Yes. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. First, dash is known as primary memory. Now A. RAM, B. ROM and C. both A and B. Yes. What is the answer? Both A and B. RAM and ROM both are the primary parts of a primary memory. Second, dash memory is also known as external memory. A primary, B secondary or C none of these. So which memory is known as external memory? Secondary memory is known as external memory. Third, RAM is a dash memory. RAM is a read-only, non-volatile or volatile. Yes, what is the answer? RAM is the volatile memory. Fourth, 1 TB is equal to dash GB. Now first of all, TB की full form क्या होती है? Terabyte. So 1 terabyte is equal to 1000 GB or 0124 GB or 1024 GB. Yes, it is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Number 5. Process of copying data from RAM to hard disk is known as A. Saving, B. Deleting or both A and B. Now, जब हम RAM से डेटा को सेव करते हैं, जब हम कॉपी करते हैं डेटा, तो इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? जब हम अपना कोई भी डेटा रैम से हार्ड डिस्क में कॉपी करते हैं, तो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सेविंग. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. 1. A computer stores data and information in its memory. Number 2. A computer's memory is measured in dash and dash. किसमें measure होती है computer memory? It is measured in bits and bytes. Now number 3. Dash is the basic storage unit of a computer. Byte is the basic storage unit of a computer. Number 4. Dash and dash are the two types of primary memory. RAM and ROM are the two types of primary memory. Number 5. Dash is a non-volatile memory. Yes. कौन सी होती है non-volatile memory? ROM is a non-volatile memory. क्यों? Because इसके contents lost नहीं होते. इसके data erase नहीं होता जब computer turn off हो जाता है. Number 6. Dash memory stores data and information permanently. Secondary memory. Now exercise C. True and the false statement. We have to identify which statement is true and which statement is false. Number 1. Computer monitor saves the data and information. Now, is this true or false? This is false. Number 2. 1 terabyte is approximately equal to 1 book. No, this is also false. Number 3. Bit is the smallest unit of a computer. This is true. Number 4. RAM stores our data permanently. Now, is it this statement is true or false? This is false. Number 5. Hard disk is the primary memory. No, hard disk is not a primary memory. It is a secondary memory. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the use of computer memory? Now, dear children, computer memory is used to store instructions waiting to be executed by the processor, data needed by those instructions, and the results produced after processing the data. So, computer memory use होती है instructions store करने के लिए which are waiting to be executed by the processor. जिन instructions को processor ने अभी execute करना होता है उनको store करने के लिए use होती है. Then उन instructions को execute करने के लिए जो data चाहिए होता है वो भी memory में store होता है. And then जब प्रोसेसिंग के बाद जो रिजल्ट्स आते हैं डेटा को प्रोसेस करने के बाद उन रिजल्ट को भी स्टोर करने के लिए मेमोरी यूज होती है. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2. व्हाट इज प्राइमरी मेमोरी? नेम इट्स टू टाइप्स. A primary memory is also called the main memory. A computer can only process the data that is in the main memory. जो कंप्यूटर की मेन मेमोरी होती है उसी को हम प्राइमरी मेमोरी भी बोलते हैं. और कंप्यूटर सिर्फ उसी डेटा को प्रोसेस करता है जो मेन मेमोरी में होता है. And there are two types of primary memory, RAM and ROM. दो तरह की प्राइमरी मेमोरी होती है, random access memory and read only memory. Number 3. Define bit and byte. The computer's memory is measured in bits and bytes. A bit means binary digit, 0 or 1. And जो bit होता है, it is the smallest unit of data that a computer can use. And then now next, what is byte? One byte consists of 8 bits. जो 8 bits के combination से one byte बनती है, and it is the basic storage unit in the memory. Now next is exercise E. Complete the following. Number 1, 1 TB. Do you know what is the full form of TB is? Terabyte. So 1 terabyte is equal to dash. It is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Number 2, 1 GB, or we can say 1 gigabyte is equal to dash. So 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. Number 3, 1 dash is equal to 8 bits. Now dear children, can you tell me what is the combination of 8 bits known as? The combination of 8 bits is known as 1 byte, or in other words, we can say that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Now, number 4, 1 KB is equal to dash. So 1 KB means 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is equivalent to which unit of memory? It is equivalent to 1024 bytes. Number 5, dash is equal to 1024 MB. Now, 1024 MB is equivalent to 1 gigabytes, or we can say 1 GB. Exercise F. Application based question. On your trip with family, you clicked many pictures and short videos of various locations. In which type of memory would you prefer them to store, and why? Now, dear children, we would prefer to store the pictures and the videos in secondary memory, or this secondary memory can be your pen drive, your DVD, or in the hard disk, because these are the permanent in nature. Pen drive, then CD, DVD, and if we save data in the hard disk, they are all permanent in nature.